Hi everybody, this is Lena's Pretty Things, and Lena and Luna, a little bit of love. We're going to do an unboxing for Tamed Wild, and this is the May box. And I don't have my helper today, so you just get the unboxing. No pics of me, haha. Okay, so it's the May box. It says honoring the Goddess Artimus. So we're honoring the Goddess Artimus this month. And we got these little thingies that you can read. I will do this. You can always still shot it and read it. There's that one. And the back of it. And then this one says Artemis, the story of Artemis, Huntress and Guardian. Come on, focus. Just want to focus. There we go. And then we got the shapeshifter on the back. And then there's a ritual. You got a bow and arrow amulet, rose petals, aromatherapy dropper bottle, ritual stone, parchment tote bag, and an Artemis card. That's basically what's in here. So we have a little sticker that says rose water. I'm pretty sure it's going to go on this bottle that's in here. And it's a dropper bottle. I'm not going to take it out. You can see that it's a bottle and it's got a dropper in there. And then we have the rose petals, organic herb, contains rose petals and buds. I'd rather have roses on my table than diamonds around my neck. Emma Goldman. And here we have a little bag that says Tamed Wild. And in it, if I can open it with one hand. Don't know if I can. We shall see. In that bag, we had a little bow and arrow pendant. And this bag has probably got, some stones. Which stones are these? A ritual stone. We're going to get a clear quartz crystal. I'm pretty sure that's what both of them are in this little bag right here. Yes. Two little clear quartz crystals. And we have all this bag here. I think this is the tote bag. And we get a big tote bag. Nice looking tote bag. That's pretty nippity-tippity. I like that. And then down in here, we have the parchment paper to write your rituals on. And that would be it for May's box from Tamed Wild. Put that in there. That back in there. So, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Give us a thumbs up. Comment. As I said, this is a May box from Tamed Wild. It's www.tamedwild.com. This is the $20 box, and they always charge $5 shipping. And usually you get, depending on when you order, the way I ordered mine, when I ordered, I was a month behind, so I always get the month that's behind me. So, it's for June, I got May's. July, I'll get June's. And I will probably stop getting these when I start getting the same thing over and over again. But we've been getting these since right before before Christmas, I think. Like, I think November was my first box, or October. But anyway, like I said, this is Lena's Pretty Things, and Lena and Luna, a little bit of love. If you like it, please subscribe, comment, share us. All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye.